PCC has magnification tools for our students and employees. Accessible computer stations at each library and computer lab offer magnification software, as well as software that reads information out loud. CCTVs can be used to access library materials, take notes, or review other kinds of hard copy. One of the cool features is the ability to turn the camera from pointing down to pointing toward the front of the room or the board. Each library has an equipment checkout desk where a variety of types of magnification tools can be borrowed. Folks can even check our website beforehand to see which items are available at each location. There are also items available for loan directly through Accessible Ed and Disability Resources. Maker spaces at each campus are another location where we have magnification options available for folks to use. There are tabletop magnifiers with lights or goggles with interchangeable lenses that can make it much easier to see and focus on detail work. We have digital microscopes that allow for the contents of a slide to be viewed on a larger screen. There are a lot of magnification options built into mainstream devices too. If you have a Chromebook, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, there are all kinds of options that you may want to explore. If so, the good news is that PCC has an Access Tech group here to help.